Eating well and staying in shape can sometimes seem like a mystery, but it doesn't have to be. By choosing whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, you give your body the nutrients it needs. Pair this with regular exercise like walking, biking, or dancing to keep your body moving. It's all about balance and moderation. Treat yourself occasionally, but make sure most of your meals are nutritious. Small changes add up over time, so start with one thing at a time. Remember, taking care of yourself isn't just about how you look, it's about how you feel too. Listen to your body and find what works best for you.